In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend email in Yahoo. If you sent a message before and need to send the same content again, whether someone missed it or you want to share it with a new recipient, this guide will walk you through it clearly and quickly. Start by opening your browser and going to Yahoo's sign-in page. On the sign-in screen, click your existing account if it's shown. This saves you from typing your address again and takes you straight to the password step. Enter your password carefully and sign in. Keep your credentials private. Private and only sign in on trusted devices. Once you're on the Yahoo homepage, look to the upper right and click Mail. If you see a prompt or a small menu, click Mail again to open your full inbox. This takes you into Yahoo Mail, where we can access your sent messages. On the left side of the Mail interface, find and select the Sent folder. This folder contains all the emails you've already sent from this account. Scroll through the list and click the message you want to resend to open it. Take a second to confirm it's the right conversation and that the content is still accurate. With the email open, click the forward icon in the toolbar at the top of the message. It usually looks like a right-pointing arrow. If you prefer, you can also use the forward icon at the bottom of the message. Both buttons do the same thing. A new compose window will open with your original message included below. In the To field, type the email address you want to send it to. Double-check the address to avoid delivery issues. You can leave the subject and body as they are, or make small adjustments for clarity if needed. If the original email had attachments, they typically carry over when you forward, so review them to ensure everything important is included. When everything looks good, click Send. That's it, the email has been resent. For peace of mind, you can go back to the Sent folder to confirm that a new copy was sent successfully and verify the timestamp. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the message you're looking for in Sent, make sure you're viewing the correct account and that no filters are hiding it. And if you forward frequently, consider adding a short note at the top of the message explaining why you're resending, which helps the recipient understand the context. You now know the fastest, most reliable way to resend an email in Yahoo. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.